Dhan is now available on Stratzy. Dhan's lightning fast investing experience helps you start investing with Strazy in just 10 seconds. Want to know how? Go to the Strazy app, click on Connect Broker and select Dhan. Enter your Dhan credentials, enter your PIN, and your broker connection is now successful. Head over to the Discover section to explore ideas and strategies to invest. Check the risk meter rating before investing and invest as per your risk appetite, just like the ultra rich do it. Open your Demat account with India's most technologically advanced broker, Dhan, and link it to start investing with Strazy.